All right, this is SAT Prep. We're doing test 1, section 3. This is number 19. In a right triangle, one angle measures x degrees, where sine of x is 4 over 5. What is the cosine of 90 minus x? So if you have this memorized already, that's great, right? So you might already know the answer to this just based on trig identities. So one option here, right, is to know based on trig identities that there is a trig ID that says that the cosine of either pi over 2 minus theta, if you're in radians, right, or cosine of 90 degrees minus theta, is just the sine of theta, right? And if you know that already, so if you know that that's the case, then you can say, oh, look, it's just the same answer, and my answer is, then the answer is either 4 over 5, right? So you could either do it as 4 over 5, or you could put it in as 0.8. That's fine, right? Great. But the other option is, let's say you don't have that trig identity memorized, right? So let's say we draw a triangle, right? And I call this x, right? This is my right triangle. I know that this is the opposite side, right? So opposite is 4. I know that 5 is the hypotenuse. And I know that this angle, right? I don't know what this angle is, but I know that because this is a 90 and this is an x, whatever this angle is, this is the angle 90 minus x. So I was asked for the cosine of 90 minus x. Well, that would be the side adjacent over the hypotenuse, and it would be a 4 over 5. So either way, you can either do it by drawing or you can do it with knowledge of a trig identity, but your answer is either 4 over 5 or 0.8. If you do 4 over 5, it doesn't matter where you put it. You can put it here, you could put it at the start, right? So here's 4 over 5. Okay, if you'd done it as 0.8, you would probably do it as a decimal and an 8, right? And so then, like if you had picked this option, right, you would have done this and this, right? So just to show you, if I'd done the blue option, right, it would look like this. Don't do both, but so it doesn't matter. And you can put the 0.8 anywhere, but again, I tend to justify my stuff all the way to the right, so it's up to you. Anyway, that's it.